Today I'm gonna strip the ceiling from the old plaster and then hang up new boards, new stone walls or hard wall, whatever you call it. Well, let's go. I have 2 hours before I have to be in my spinning class. And I want to get all of the rubble with me when I go to the neighboring village where I'm gonna work out, because there's the recycling site, so I can get rid of everything that I take down today. Here you can see how they got the lime plaster to stick to the ceiling. They used a mat made of straws bind together with steel wire, and they hammered that one to the ceiling, and that made the lime plaster stick to the wood and it didn't fall down. Well, almost fell down now that it's 100 years later. That's why I removed it.
Här finns det en liten överklass med inflytande och pengar. Och i takt med att Lincoln lyfter fram fötterna både som advokat och som politiker bjuds allt
So
point, Josselin and Lucine from Paris, 2 volunteers, arrived and helped me out for 3 weeks, and they attached the rest of the drywall boards, screwing them onto the ceiling, 2 layers, and then I plastered them and they sanded. This is just me doing a final sanding before I can start painting.
Did the last touch up, and I think it's time to start painting now. So let's change this. Yeah. Okay, it's not the same. Still works. Finished. I did notice I need to do some touch up before I can do the next layer, but with this paint you can repaint it after 2 hours, so I could keep going all evening if I wanted to. Maybe I will. Otherwise I will just finish it tomorrow. But I'm also wondering if I need to do just 2 layers or 3 layers. We'll see.